good. Set yourself up. Nice job. Good job. Hammer down, man. You got it. There you go. You got it.
I'm not that hard on my Jeep. Yeah.
And if for any reason you need to position yourself, call time. I'll stop. Nice job. Down to the right, over here, and then you shoot straight across. Nice job.
I'd already talked about that long before you went.
Nice slide.
I know, brother. I know. I got my sunblock on.
You want me to stop running on the bottom? Okay. You have a
I do that.
you have a tissue.
Yes, I do.
Nice good stuff.
Like that.
Nice job.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Man, why you gotta go?
My You want to just pop it out? You know how to use a 4PK. It's on model like 6. It's in the backpack, the top of it. It's like model 7 or 8 C100. The C100 one. It's model 7 or 8, I forgot which one. Unless Philip wants to slug, I got that. Whatever wants the C100. There should be C100 on the next one. Maybe it's not. I don't know.
Spinning the winter first. Can we put the clutch back? This should never move with this thing, though, I mean, that's for sure. It has no strength to go back. What's over here, Bill? That's no problem. Winch. Figure out how to be different. Everybody else was shot like. Time.
4 minutes 17.
What's my penalties?
2 reverses, 1 winch, 1 gate, 1 rollover.
We did a scale comp thing a couple summers ago. We were at Fort Falls. David dropped that thing right in the river, man. In the street. Hey, you got a gate off over here.
What?
It was, yeah, it was on the, it drives more like a, that way. Oh, the kid. Yeah. And gonna say we can move that for you.
Yeah, but see, DJ's like a pro driver. Amazing shootout, sport mode.
Gate.
Even though Rex does. There it is.
Bottom of that big rock, you can go left and right.
Way to work through it, D-Ray.
To the right. Oh, that's right. The other right.
If you want, you can back down and go straight up since you already cleared that gate. He's there. He's there. He's there. Good save. Yeah. This is awesome. Nice.
Entertainment purposes only.
Killer.
All right, yo, looks like Gabe left.